One time, what happened is, just I went for lunch. My kids are seeing the movie, or my kids are seeing the tab. Then ask her, Are Namshu, just for 2 minutes, I have a small requirement. Can you please do a small work for me? Like, yeah, we are ready. You can choose any book what you want. Can you please bring any textbook, whatever you want? Like, smallest activity, I want to do that. Like, Baba, do you want me to study? Like, no, just only 2 minutes activity I'm asking. Later, after 2 minutes, you can stop. No problem for me like that. Oh, if it is okay. One person bring English textbook, another person bring some other book because I have twins, right? Then, array, in this book, open any page, whatever you are feeling comfortable. Can you write that line in the notes very neatly? And what is the meaning of that? Can you explain? Any page, any paragraph you can take, like smallest action, I'm asking, like, oh, is it? Okay, that. My younger kid is very intelligent. He chose the paragraph which contain only one line. The paragraph which contain only one line. Yeah, no problem for me. No problem for me. Can you write like then they started writing that line. Then automatically, yeah, wonderful. Neatness is not there. Can you rewrite and again and explain me like I asked? Yeah, no problem. Just only one line, right? Like then automatically, do you know? Just that 2 minutes activity, it goes to almost around 2 hours. What happened is, my wife continued the remaining part. My wife continued the remaining part. She came and she sat that day. I remember she came and she sat. Even my kids forgot. Father asked only for 2 minutes only, right? They forgot. They continued. Okay, 2 minutes action is that much powerful. Starting point, if you cross that, then the cinema will be very easy. So in movement, automatic movement is going to be happen, man. You know, sometimes car starting problem will be there. Starting problem will be there for the car. We have to push. Correct, right? Ayo, have you ever heard
Yes,
about this
sir.
type of thing? We require to push. So once the car started, automatically it will go right. More energy is not required. For ignition only, more energy is required. Once it is started in flow, in movement, the movement is going to be created automatically. That's what momentum. So, big task is always going to attract a procrastination, is always going to attract a delay. Small task is always going to attract action. Whatever you want to do, bigger activities in your mind, divide that bigger activities into small activities, small steps. To do that, it is impossible to fail. To do that, it's impossible to fail. Such a type of smallest activities you require to do that. What a wonderful medicine. What a wonderful reason for the procrastination. Getting the point right?